the day. Welcome to Sunset International School Huramau Newsroom. Let us begin our day with a wonderful thought. The ladder of success is best by stepping on the rungs of opportunity. There is no friend as loyal as a book. Ernest Hemingway.
On August 1st, 2024, in celebration of World Book Day, we had the privilege of welcoming renowned author Miss Vidya Vardarajan. Miss Vidya captivated the audience with her engaging personality and began her session by reading the blurb of Chapter 1 in her latest book. Her expressive voice and vivid storytelling immediately drew the students of grade 5, 6, 7 and 8 in sparking the curiosity and enthusiasm in the literary event. On August 6th, we had the honor of hosting the critically acclaimed author Ms. Savi Karnan for an inspiring literary event. Known for her notable works The Nameless God and Lakshmi Panda, the story of Netaji's youngest spy. Ms. Savi captivated the students and teachers of grade 9 and 10 with her passion for storytelling.
The events were not only an opportunity to learn from a seasoned author, but also a chance to interact and engage with a professional in the literary field. Their ability to simplify the process of learning for the students by sparking their creativity made the session both educational and enjoyable. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to a life of freedom. As India commemorated its 70th Independence Day, the Government of India announced the theme for this year as Viksit Bharat or Developed India. We celebrated Independence Day with great ardor and zeal. The celebration was graced by parents and guardians, with the presence of Mr. M. Kamaraj and Mr. R. Pradeep Naidu as chief guests. Parents and guardians showed immense enthusiasm by attending the celebration in large numbers. The whole school was wearing a festive look as teachers, students, and parents were clad in tricolors to celebrate the occasion.
The event commenced with the national flag being hoisted by the chief guests and dignitaries with the following of the national anthem. The principal welcomed the gathering. She urged the students to think what this freedom really meant to them and reiterated the message that respect should guide their every action. The cultural extravaganza started with a patriotic song and was followed by a series of mesmerizing dances, soulful patriotic songs, and inspiring skits, arousing patriotic feelings in all. The audience was urged to remember every drop of blood that was shed for this freedom and independence. It was a joyous and thrilling experience for both the performers and the audience. The memory of this special day is etched forever in the hearts and minds of those who were present to witness it.
Compliment Circle is a fantastic way for young students to practice kindness and learn more about each other. By sharing compliments, they are not only strengthening their friendship but also developing social and emotional skills. It was great to see grade 1 to 5 students participating in activities that help them recognize and appreciate each other's unique qualities while fostering a positive and supportive classroom environment. To celebrate the spirit of friendship, we had a special assembly on August 20th focusing on the beautiful human bonding called friendship. The students of grade 3 presented a lovely skit bringing out the true essence of this relations. Grade 5 students made beautiful posters on heroes of independence to celebrate the sacrifice of our brave leaders and soldiers who must not go unnoticed. We must always remember that it is because of them that we have freedom today.
Unity in diversity highlights the strength and richness that comes from a diverse community of students and faculty. It emphasizes on various perspectives and backgrounds, enhancing learning and fostering a more inclusive and dynamic educational environment. Students of grade 1 and 2 made a collage of pictures that reflected the theme Unity in Diversity. Students of grade 1 and 2 explored color blending, and texture while enjoying squish painting. Squish painting is a fun and tactile art activity for children. Students placed paint between two sheets of paper and then pressed, squished, or rubbed together. This process created unique abstract designs and patterns as the paint spread and mixed.
The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation. Students feel motivated when they are appreciated for the good that they do. Felicitation Assembly was conducted on 9th and 13th of August 2024 and where the valued chums, avid readers and storytellers of grade 6 to 10 and grade 1 to 5 were awarded respectively. Victory is having done your best. If you have done your best, you have already won. On August 27th and 28th, students of grade 5 to 10 participated in the annual Khelo Samsit International Football Competition. It is held annually as a part of National Sports Day. National Sports Day places an emphasis on the importance of sports and fitness in our daily lives. Our school, Samsit International School, Kuramaur, secured the runners-up position in the competition. It's an achievement and a moment of pride for each one of us. Competitions such as this allow us much more than just physical activity. It helps us build confidence and teaches us to face challenges. It also plays a huge role in shaping our resilience that after every fall, we will work and strive to rise.
The Model United Nations Summit held at Fortune Park Hotel was a remarkable gathering drawing over 400 delegates from various schools. With 7 dynamic committees, participants engaged in lively debates tackling pressing global issues ranging from climate change to human rights. Each committee buzzed with energy as delegates passionately represented their assigned countries, negotiating solutions and drafting resolutions that reflected their diverse perspectives. The beautifully decorated conference halls provided the perfect backdrop for intense discussions, while networking breaks allowed delegates to form new friends and alliances. Keynote speakers included renowned diplomats, inspired attendees with insights into international relations and the importance of youth engagement in the global affairs.
We had Honorable Ms. Yashi Dariwal, Head of Political and Economic Department, Consulate of Cambodia, and we had Honorable Mr. Kasu Venkata Rajagopal Reddy, Honorary Consulate of the Republic of Seychelles in Bengaluru, who graced the closing ceremony. The event culminated with an award ceremony celebrating outstanding contributions and exceptional leadership. Overall, the summit not only enhanced participants' understanding of diplomacy and collaboration, but also fostered a spirit of unity and purpose among the next generation of global leaders.
Krishna Janmashtami celebration was enchanting in a pre-primary wing. The presence of tiny Krishnas and Radhas brought to life the spirit of the Janmashtami festival. The dances presented by young students were heartwarming, which then continued with a scrapbook activity. The pre-primary wing celebrated the Blue Day with lot of fun and enthusiasm in the school premises. The students and their teachers dressed in blue to celebrate this occasion. A special assembly was conducted with an emphasis to the color blue, where the kids spoke about their favorite toys and learned the significance of blue color. Bulletin boards displayed blue craft work made by our tiny tots.
Learning through games makes the process more engaging and memorable. By using matching card activities to teach pronouns, grade 1 students enjoyed a hands-on approach that reinforces their understanding in a fun and interactive way. Measuring length activity. Students learn to measure different objects using both standard and non-standard methods. They used hand span, foot span, cubits, and measured the objects and understood how the non-standard units differ.
Using diverse methods and activities to understand concepts like place and place value can significantly enhance understanding for grade 1 students. Hands-on activities and interactive games help to make these abstract concepts more tangible, allowing them to grasp and retain the fundamental mathematical concepts more effectively. Enrichment is a unique module that we follow in Samsung, where students are identified and supported to move to the next level in their linguistic skills. We conducted regular reading and phonetic sessions to enrich the students in their linguistic skills.
On August 10, 2024, Samsit International School organized its first ever Buddy Bash event as a part of the annual Friendship Day observed across the world. The event was organized by the Student Council of our school. It was a vibrant celebration in our school. Students gathered on the sun-drenched playground turned it into a lively festival filled with colorful game booths and enticing food stalls.
What made the event truly special was that the students from grade 3 to 10 had to bring along a buddy who was into Samsidian. This unique twist allowed participants to team up with non-Samsidian partners, creating a fun and inclusive atmosphere. Laughter echoed as friends competed in tug-of-war and sack races, fostering teamwork and friendly rivalry. The winners took pride in the Samsid friendship bands and bookmarks were presented to them as prizes.
We Samsidians love to come to school and look forward to meet our teachers and friends every day. We are learning to appreciate the little things that we do in our daily life by following the everyday practice of writing 3 good things. We thank our teachers and management for providing us with all the necessary guidance to grow as a responsible human being. Thank you and goodbye until we meet with some exciting updates.